Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and check out your payout status in Gumroad. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com if you've not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page in the upper right corner, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have one, just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the dashboard that you're greeted by. From the official Gumroad website, you can open up your dashboard, and from here, the left side of the screen, we can find all the sections that we can access to manage our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. And if you look at the left side of the screen, you're going to see one of the sections right here that is called payouts. You want to go ahead and open up payouts. This is what's going to enable us to go and take a look at our payout status. So let's get you paid. Reach your minimum payout threshold to be paid out, and here you can go ahead and view your payout threshold. So by clicking this button right here, it's going to show you what's the minimum unit you earn. As you can see, for me it's $29.61, and once you reach this, you can get started with getting paid out. So here you can select your payout method, where you want to receive your money. You can select your bank account, fill out your info, and save this info. So once you reach this threshold, there is going to appear a button on the payout section that's going to say to get paid. Just like that, you're going to go ahead and be able to take a look at your payouts. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.